Don't move.
I won't.
Put James on your back.
I will. Absolutely. 100%.
What you're about to witness is a textbook example of how a simple wellness check can spiral into a full-blown arrest in under 20 minutes. We've got an intoxicated man who's been drinking for days while caring for a toddler, making death threats to his partner, and about to go toe-to-toe with law enforcement. Watch how quickly Daniel's aggression escalates from verbal confrontation to criminal charges. Will the officers maintain their composure, or will this volatile situation explode? Let's break down every crucial moment.
Why am I here? Somebody called in a well-being check.
Oh, okay. Well, that would have been one of them.
Okay.
And trust me, I did not ever put my hands on somebody or do something.
Okay, that's fine.
This lady here is being weird.
Okay, let's go up here and talk.
No.
Well, I want to talk to you away
Do
from
not
them.
intimidate me and push up on me.
I'm not. I want to go talk to you away from the person that, or the people that...
Notice how Daniel immediately becomes defensive and starts dictating terms to the officer. This is a massive red flag in domestic situations. He's already trying to control the narrative and separate the officer from the complainant. The officer is handling this correctly by remaining calm, but Daniel's body language and tone are screaming aggression. In wellness checks, officers need to assess everyone's safety, including potential victims who might be intimidated into silence. Daniel's resistance to basic police procedure tells us this situation is about to get much more complicated. What do you think? Is Daniel just drunk and belligerent, or is there something more sinister happening here?
You were claiming called in.
I'm not claiming. Obviously, you're here for a reason.
Yeah, I told you, a well-being check on everybody that's in the house.
Okay, well, that's the person that's in the house.
Okay,
So
that
check
is...
on her.
Okay, that's
Is she
fine.
hurt?
No, but I'll talk to you
Look
guys.
at, no, you will not talk to me.
You
You
don't
will
want to
look
talk
at
to me?
her.
Okay. Then I don't need anything
Don't
else from
tell
you if
me,
you don't want to talk to me.
don't give your
I-
directives to me. Talk to her then.
I'm
If
treating
that's
you
what
with
was
respect.
called, then talk to that
Okay.
person across the street.
Okay.
Right?
Hello there, ma'am. I'm gonna get just your basic information and stuff. I know you called like an hour ago.
Look at what I'm doing right now, sir. Look at this.
Amanda, right?
Look at this. You.
Amanda, what's your middle initial?
Look.
Hey, do me a
This,
favor, stand over there for
I'm
me.
I'm not in
I'm trying to speak.
matter. Right?
Step
Am
over
I
there.
adhering your investigation?
You are right now because I'm trying to speak to her and
All
you're
right,
getting in the
I'll
middle of
give
it.
you 3 steps
That's
back.
I don't care how close you stand, just don't talk or anything so I can speak.
Talk.
Not if you're gonna interrupt me or not. You can't.
If you can't pay attention to what you're doing, don't tell me I can't.
It's for me.
Up. Shut your mouth.
Okay.
She filed a false report.
Nobody's filed any kind of reports or anything.
Why are you here then?
Anybody can call in a well-being check for any reason at any time, sir. Any of your neighbors can call in a well-being check.
What's this then? What's this sore?
Yeah, 10-4. He's disorderly right now, but we're 10-4. All right, what's going on?
He's been drinking, like gone on the bench for 4 or 5 days straight. He takes care of our 2-year-old while I'm at work.
Okay.
He's just running his mouth like this, threatening to harm me.
Okay.
It's on text message, over the phone. She heard it over the phone. And just in person. He's been drinking. He did it today.
Okay.
He said, "You're smiling, you're laughing. I'm going to f*** you up, I'm going to punch you, I'm going to kill you."
He seems like an absolute joy. He's saying the exact same stuff to me, and I've been here for 3 seconds.
Yeah.
So,
And it literally, like, it's, like I said, I'm a teacher. I have probably 50 plus text messages from him.
424, I'm done for it. Run back inside.
No, he's back up now.
So, what I'm going to recommend, there's not a lot I can do with words, obviously. Tomorrow morning, go down to the courthouse with all of your text messages, everything. I'll give you...
This is exactly how domestic violence intervention should work. The officer is explaining the injunction process clearly and thoroughly, giving the victim concrete steps to protect herself legally. Notice how he emphasizes bringing evidence. Those text messages could be crucial in court. In Florida, temporary injunctions last 2 weeks initially, then required judicial review. This gives victims immediate protection while building a legal case. The officer can't arrest based solely on verbal threats without witnessing them, but he's empowering the victim with legal options. This is textbook de-escalation and victim advocacy, but watch Daniel's behavior. His agitation is building, and alcohol is clearly impairing his judgment. How long before this powder keg explodes?
The case number from this and file for what's called an injunction. It's a restraining order. The first one is for 2 weeks. And then you'll have to go before the judge. He'll determine whether it's, the first 2 weeks is basically no contact in any way. 500 feet, can't come within between you. Is the child shared? Like you see the dad? Okay. It'll be, I don't know what exactly the judge will determine for that, but it'll be no contact at all. After the 2 weeks, it will be, the judge will evaluate it, determine whether it needs to stay like that, whether he needs to relax it a little bit, and stuff like that. I can't say what exactly the judge will do at that time. But any text messages, anything like that you have will obviously help your case.
Okay. Will that order then go with the child?
It could. That's all family court and stuff like that, so I can't 100% say sure what it is. Alright? Do you have any questions or anything right now?
Not really. Can I run back in and get some clothes, or, I mean, I don't know. Or that, I should just.
Let me wait for the second deputy to get here.
Okay.
Just in case he decides to act up. I'm just letting him carry on until the second person gets here, and then we'll deal with him. So,
But he told me I was holding the baby. He's 2. I was sitting on the chair. He told me, put him down. You can't hold him. Don't touch him. And he wouldn't. He was holding the baby on the couch with him. He was crying. He wouldn't let him down and come over to me. Finally, he did.
Okay. What's his name?
Daniel.
So, in the state of Florida, mom and dad have same custody. I can't, if you have the baby, then you don't have to turn the baby over to dad. I can't make you turn the baby over to dad without a court order or anything like that. Okay. So, that's how that goes. And again, in the future, if he has the baby, I can't make him turn the baby over to you. Okay. Now, if he's like this, then it's a little bit different situation because it's not safe for the child, so. Hi, little guy.
Does she look insulted? Does she get messed up? Offended? Hurt?
Did I say any of that? Daniel, I have done nothing but talk to you with respect or anything else since I've been here. And all you've done is...
I'm mad. I'm mad, though, because that happened.
That's fine, but I haven't treated you with any disrespect or anything else,
I don't think you did.
This whole time. Talked to you the same way the whole time. I haven't even raised my voice to you.
I know.
There's no reason to disrespect me. You know, if she's the one that called, she's concerned about her friend, there's nothing wrong with that.
But you see her friend.
It's fine. But there's nothing wrong if a friend calls concerned about another friend.
To make a false report?
There's no report or anything.
There's nothing wrong about that?
There's no false report. There's no crime or anything else.
You did not come here.
It's a well-being check. Like I said, anybody can do it at any time for any reason.
Right, especially your people. Your people right there who
I don't know.
You close.
I have no idea who that is.
Stop.
I couldn't even tell her name. Couldn't even tell you her name. No idea who it is. All I know is that somebody called in a well-being check, and they asked me to come down and check on everybody in the house, and that's what I'm here for. That's it. I've treated you the same way the whole time I've been here, haven't I?
You did.
Okay. There's no reason to get mad at anybody or anything like that.
There is. I mean, this person called a false report. That's not a reason to be mad.
A false report has nothing to do with a well-being check.
She said I committed a crime. That's why you got here.
What crime?
Apparently assaulting somebody.
Did I say that at any point?
Yeah, you did, actually.
No, I didn't.
As soon as you fall, you wanted to check because you wanted to make sure somebody was okay.
Because I didn't know this was... That's what a well-being check is, making sure everybody's okay in the house, right?
Is that okay?
It is.
So it's cool. Well, I'm going to call... What's your last name? Lawrence? Okay,
Levance.
So I'm going to call
Levance.
your house, and I'm going to be like, hey, this...
You
this
can,
guy
but
is
nobody's
beating
going to
his
be there
wife.
because it's just me. Nobody said you were putting your hands on her or anything.
You did.
No, I never once said that.
You did.
If you called in a well-being check on your mom and dad, and we went out there, would you want us to check on all of them?
Don't talk me out of this circle.
Okay.
You know what happened.
Okay.
You know why you came here, and you know why you investigated something.
There is no crime or anything that
I know for a fact there's no crime.
Okay, so why are you yelling at
Get in your car and leave.
No, you're not going to tell me what to do, unfortunately.
Well, why? You work for me.
No.
I pay your salary.
Unfortunately, I work for the people of Charlotte County.
And who pays Port Charlotte County? Who pays that? Where does that money come from?
I'm gonna go talk to her real quick. Okay. Are you
Yeah,
gonna be?
because that's the one who can pay.
Hello there.
Hi, how are you?
Sorry for leaving you unattended with him for a second.
I'm totally fine. My brother-in-law works with you guys, and my ex is a cop. So
I've been waiting on my second person to deal with him, so
that's okay.
because he is extremely drunk at this point.
Yeah, he usually is.
Give me just a second. This is our lovely gentleman over here. He's extremely drunk. His they're there. They're good and everything. I already talked to her about an injunction and everything. While I was talking to them, he came over here and started giving our caller. So he's been extremely, yeah, the whole time. So if she feels that he's disorderly and intoxicated, then he's gonna go for that. Because he's been nothing but disrespectful to all of us at this point.
Hi.
Yeah, I'll be with you in a minute. Just keep quiet over there. Listen, dude, I'm not the one. Listen, I'm going to talk to her. Come at me. I'm going to talk to her and then I'm going to talk to you.
Here's where everything changes. Daniel just made his first direct threat to law enforcement. Find out what? That's textbook intimidation. Watch the officer's body language shift. He's now treating this as a potential physical confrontation. Daniel is drunk, aggressive, and starting to circle the officer like a predator. This is exactly how officers get injured or worse in domestic calls. The "I pay your salary" argument is classic sovereign citizen rhetoric, but it holds zero legal weight. Daniel thinks he can intimidate trained law enforcement the same way he terrorizes his partner. Big mistake. Can you see how his alcohol-fueled bravado is about to land him in handcuffs? The officer is about to show Daniel who really has authority here.
You're told. You're going to do what your job is.
You don't get to tell me what
You're
to
going
do.
to do what your job is.
You don't get to tell me what to do.
I do. I pay your salary.
Where's my
You
salary?
stupid
Where? Show me where you pay my salary.
Every time I get taxed,
Huh?
it pays your salary.
Oh, it does. So you directly pay my salary.
No, indirectly, I pay your salary.
I need you to
You
just...
don't need me to do. I'll stand right
I need
here.
you
What
to
you
calm
need
down.
to do is walk the back over there, or find out.
Find out what?
Come on, come closer then.
You're not going to make threats to law
You're
enforcement.
not going to come closer and threaten me.
Nobody's
Because
threatening
what
you.
you're doing now, and he's trying to circle me, this is a threat.
What? Explain to me what's wrong with you, man. You want to be the one to talk, then
He's
talk.
threatening me. He's circling me.
It's what he's done to me the whole time.
If you want to be the one to talk, then talk. Explain to me what's going on. Why am I here?
I don't understand why.
Obviously, there's an issue, right?
That person had an issue and called the cops on no issue.
Okay.
Nobody got hurt. Nobody got touched. I would never do that.
So why are you fired up, though?
Because he's trying to circle me, and you're coming forward.
I'm not going to talk to you across the block. So yeah, I'm going to come forward. I'm going to come to talk
All
to
right,
you.
then go over there and deal with the person.
No, you're not going to tell me what to do. I'm here to talk to each and every one of you.
You can't give me directives either.
I can. That's exactly what I can do. It's called a lawful order. I can tell you. Yes, I can.
What's lawful about it then? So you're expecting me of committing a crime?
I'm here to conduct an investigation.
Okay.
If you're going to,
Look, I
don't
don't
interrupt
have
me.
to help you
Don't
with
interrupt me.
your investigation.
Don't interrupt me. If you're going to interfere with that investigation,
with your investigation.
you're part of the investigation. Quite frankly,
I don't have to.
you're the
so
issue.
You're saying I committed a
No,
crime.
I'm saying you're the issue.
See what I'm saying? You keep stepping. I'm not the issue. The issue is that you're here and taxpayers' money got wasted. That's the issue. And then you're trying to still come at me.
This is the second call we've got today.
That's a lie.
No, it's not. Between two people. No, it's not.
Absolute
No,
lie.
it's not. I'm not the one, dude.
Absolute lie.
Okay.
Go get in your car. Then arrest me. Arrest me or go get in your car.
I'll tell you what. I'm going to talk to her. And if that's what I need to do, then that's what I'm going to
Go
do.
talk to her.
You stand over there and keep your mouth shut.
I'll do what I want to do.
No, you're not. You will go to jail. Keep your mouth shut. Hi. Hi, Bubba.
Say hi.
Running my mouth.
Hi.
The
Oh,
car.
yeah, the
That's
car.
right.
So, walk me through what happened. I see you had called in earlier about a standby.
Yes.
And nobody came out, and then here we are.
Yes.
Excellent.
He basically...
I'm sorry about that, first and foremost.
This has been going on for like 4 days straight now. He's gone on a binge. He's an alcoholic. He's been drinking all day. He watches him while I'm at work. So he is drinking while he's under his care. I have 50 plus text messages. I don't know how many times he's called me today, threatening to kill me, my family. He says, come home, find out what happens. I was on the phone with him. She heard him threaten me, threaten my family. And then came home, and he's just running his mouth. He keeps talking about a situation in my past that happened 20 years ago. And then said, oh, you're laughing at me, you're smiling at me. Find out what happens. I'm going to punch your face in. And then he's like, down, you can't hold him, put him down. And he like made the baby come over to the couch with him and wouldn't let him come back with me, back over onto the chair with me.
Okay. So, did he make any threats to you since you've been home?
Yes.
Verbal threats?
Yes.
What did he say to you?
He said, I think it was, I'm going to punch you in the face or I'm going to knock you out.
Did you feel like he was going to punch you in the face?
I mean, he scooted up on the edge of the couch and he like balls his fist up and like gets...
Were you in fear that you were going to get harmed?
I mean, yes, eventually. I think he keeps saying it and has been saying it over the past, and especially these past 4 days, has been consistent in the evenings at nighttime. So yeah, I'm sure at some point it will come to a time where he will actually do something.
So he's making threats to you.
Yes.
And in those threats, you are in fear that he has the ability to make good with those threats.
Absolutely.
Okay. At any point in time, was it physical with you guys today?
Not today.
Not today.
Yes.
But it's been physical in the past.
Yes.
Just not today.
Correct.
I'm down though, I'm ready. If we want to make it a real serious assault, let's do it.
There's no need for it, Daniel.
Let's
Stop.
do it.
There's
Then
no
go,
need for
get
it.
in your car.
No, you're not going to tell us what to
Don't
do.
tell me that I did something either. The shit's not funny, it's not cool, it's not fair. It's not funny. You called the cops, you got these guys out here ready to attack me.
Neither one of us is ready to attack you, Daniel.
I don't blame you for not wanting to. But I'm down. Go ahead.
Daniel, how many times are you going to threaten law enforcement?
I'm not threatening you.
That is a threat.
I'm taking care of myself.
That is a threat, Daniel.
I am scared right now.
You're the one instigating thing.
You came to my house.
Okay, that's my job. That is literally my job.
To threaten me? How come you don't ask her questions then? Why aren't you being like, why did you file a false report?
We tried to talk to her, but you wanted to keep yelling and screaming and telling us what to do.
All right,
So
I'll shut up. My bad. Go talk to her and ask her why she filed.
Again, you're not going to tell us what to do.
All right, I'll go over and talk to her then.
No, you're going to stay right there.
I got to stay right here?
Yep.
Or what?
You're going to stay right there.
Or
Because I'm telling you to. I'm giving you a lawful order to stay right there.
under arrest. If I move, you will...
If you don't follow my direct order, yes.
This is a perfect example of how lawful orders work in police investigations. The officer has the legal authority to restrict Daniel's movement while conducting his investigation, especially when there's evidence of threats and domestic violence. Daniel is testing the boundaries, asking, what happens if I cross this line? But he's about to find out the hard way. Notice how the officer clearly explains the consequences. This isn't arbitrary police power. This is procedural law designed to protect victims and preserve evidence. Daniel's decision to challenge this order will determine whether he goes home tonight or goes to jail. The tension is palpable. Will his alcohol-impaired judgment lead him to make the worst decision of his life?
At this point, yes.
What is the lawful order?
Do not leave your driveway. Do not approach her in any
Why
way.
can't you tell me I can't leave my driveway?
Because.
Just because.
Because I gave you a lawful order
It's on
to.
camera, just so you know.
I know it is.
You just
I
said
spend 12
because
hours of my shift on camera.
I told you you can't.
Correct. We're here conducting an investigation. I don't want you near her. Therefore, I'm
What I do?
giving you a lawful command not to move from your driveway.
Never committed a crime. So if I cross this line, you're going to arrest me. Right or wrong?
Don't move.
I won't.
Put your hands behind your back.
I will. Absolutely. 100%. I don't think I committed a crime.
Go ahead. That call 324 is fine. Can you just put that in queue? Night shift will take care of it.
So dumb.
But you seem to have some issues.
No, I didn't until you guys came up to my driveway and accused me of doing something.
Do you have anything on your person that's going to poke me, stick me, hurt me, hurt me?
No,
Do you have any weapons on you whatsoever?
No, sir.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and search your pockets. Anything in your waistband?
No.
Tantrum 30.
You know you
Daniel?
put handcuffs on me, right?
Yes, Daniel.
Tantrum 30.
I heard you had been drinking. I kind of smelled
It doesn't matter. I can
You
drink.
can. You can. Listen,
It's my house.
but I'm just going to ask you, how much do you think you had tonight?
As much as I want to.
Well, that's not an answer to the question. How much do you think you had tonight?
As much as I want to.
Okay.
I think that's a perfect answer to the question. You just put handcuffs on me and accuse me. So you put these on me because you think I committed a crime.
Well, I'm going to tell you why we put them on you. One, because obviously you're fired up. You think we're going to surround you and attack you?
Yeah, because that's how I feel.
Because
that's how I feel.
out
Yeah.
here.
But I never once acted aggressive towards either one of you.
You just got into a fighting stance like 3 times within the last 4 minutes.
So I got in a stance?
Yes. You're being
Multiple
aggressive.
times.
All right,
Don't step
all
on my property or else.
Don't step on my property.
We're here for legal
You're
reasons.
not
We're allowed
allowed
to
to
step.
st-
Yes, we are. We're here for legal
Then why
reasons.
didn't you actually do that?
I'm going to explain something to you, Daniel.
He's talking to you.
No, I don't have to listen to anybody.
I was going to explain to you why you're going to jail, but if you don't want to listen,
I
will not
promise
tell you.
I'm not, at the end of the day, go to the jail.
No, you are.
I'm going to go there, yeah, but you guys
So,
know
you
you're
want to
wrong.
know your charges right now, sir?
Yes.
At the very least, you're going to jail today for assault. Okay.
I assaulted
That's a
I
threat.
ass-
In the
I
state of Florida,
assaulted
that's
you.
a threat.
I assaulted
Let's break down what just happened legally. In Florida, assault doesn't require physical contact. That would be battery. Assault is the threat of imminent violence that puts someone in reasonable fear of harm. Daniel made multiple verbal threats to his partner, caused her to fear for her safety, and then threatened law enforcement. The officer has probable cause based on the victim's sworn statement and Daniel's behavior on camera. This arrest is completely justified. Daniel's confusion about assault versus battery shows he doesn't understand the law he's breaking. His continued threats while in handcuffs are just adding more charges. Sometimes alcohol reveals who people really are underneath, and Daniel's true character is ugly.
Not just me.
I
Not me.
assaulted anybody.
Well, I'm not here to explain to you what Florida state statute
Right.
is, but you
But what's-
violated the law.
But you arrested me and
Yeah.
put handcuffs on
I
me
obtained a
because
sworn
for
recorded statement
assault.
to the victim who attested to such. So you're
Who's
going to
the-
go to jail.
Who's the victim?
You wanted to throw him in your car, so
Who's
someone
the,
across the room?
who's the victim?
Well, right now one would.
She's the victim.
Did you make threats?
She got
This side or
assaulted.
the other side?
Assaulted. All right.
Did you make threats today, Daniel? Well, let me stop you right there.
They got assaulted.
Listen. I'm going to afford you the opportunity to provide a statement.
No.
You willing to provide a statement today?
You're saying I assaulted somebody and you're arresting me because of that. That's real bad. I don't want you to talk to me anymore. You just told me I assaulted
I'm
my
gonna do
that I never
listen.
once ever would ever put my hands on a female.
So let me stop you right there.
No.
These are your warning of your constitutional rights. I want to make sure you're aware of your constitutional rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court.
I want
if you have the
shut
right
your mouth.
to talk to a lawyer for advice before we
trust
ask you
me,
any
you're gonna get
questions, and
sued
to have
very
him or her with
badly.
you for questioning.
You're gonna get
if you
sued
cannot afford
so
a lawyer, one
badly.
will be appointed
You
to
corrupt
you for
cop.
any questioning
I can't
if you wish.
believe you just put handcuffs on me.
Daniel, if you
I
decide
never
to answer
did
questions
nothing.
without a lawyer
You
present,
came here
you will still
to
have the right
investigate.
to stop answering at any time.
Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth and shut the door.
Okay. You also have the right to stop
Shut
answering
up.
any time until
Shut
we
your
talk to a
mouth.
lawyer.
You know how bad
Do you understand?
You know how bad you're acting, and that's
Daniel,
not
do,
cool.
Daniel, do you know?
Shut up.
Do you understand each of these rights? Have I explained them to you?
I know that you're a.
Okay. With these rights in mind, you're willing to talk to me
you're
now?
That's horrible. You put handcuffs on. It's funny, right? It's so funny. It's so hilarious. Maybe you guys should actually take care of somebody who got assaulted. Stupid as. Man, I'm gonna hurt you so bad. I'm gonna hurt you so bad. I'm gonna hurt you so bad. I'm gonna hurt. Why would you guys arrest somebody who didn't do anything? Did you look at her face? Because if I beat some female up, I would definitely want to be arrested. But we know that nobody had any hand marks on them whatsoever, and you're driving me to a police station.
No, you're going right to the jail. You're not going to the station.
Okay, cool. I'm going right to the jail, because what did I do again?
What did the other deputy tell you? I believe he told you it was assault, correct? Which is verbally threatening somebody to the point where they believe...
That's not an assault. That's not an assault.
It is indeed.
Did she say that?
I don't know. Where was I standing, Daniel? I was standing...
You know that she was not assaulted, and you know that I did not assault a female, and I would not ever do that. But you're bringing me to jail because I physically put hands...
No, that's battery. Battery is physically touching.
Assault's not...
Assault is verbal.
It's a misdemeanor.
Okay. Still a crime.
I mean, yeah, but...
Yeah, no, it's a crime.
So what can we learn from his body cam breakdown? This case perfectly illustrates how domestic violence escalates and why wellness checks are so critical. Daniel's pattern of behavior: drinking while caring for a child, making death threats, intimidating his partner, and challenging law enforcement, shows classic signs of an abuser losing control. The officer handled this situation professionally, providing resources to the victim and enforcing the law when Daniel crossed the line. The 12-month probation and anger management requirement gives Daniel a chance to address his issues, but statistically, domestic violence often escalates without serious intervention. This footage serves as a reminder that behind every routine call, there are real people in danger, and sometimes the only thing standing between a victim and serious harm is a well-trained officer doing their job. If you found this breakdown as intense as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts about Daniel's behavior in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-life body cam breakdowns that show the reality of law enforcement.